Imagine you mail a postcard to your best friend. Anyone who touches it along the way, the mail carrier, the sorting machine, even a nosy neighbor, can read every word. Now imagine the whole internet works the same way. So who exactly is peeking at your secrets online? So those postcards travel on a giant open road called the internet. Your message hops from your home to your internet company across many machines until it reaches a website. At every stop, your data is out in the open, like writing on a billboard for everyone to see. Now, not everything should be on a billboard. Your messages to family, your passwords, the videos you watch, even where you live. These are your private things. Sending them on the open road feels a little scary. So how can we keep them safe while they travel? Here is the clever idea. What if your postcard could travel inside a secret tunnel that no one can see into? A VPN builds exactly that. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It is a private tunnel through the busy public internet just for your data. Remember the tunnel. Before anything enters it, the VPN does something magical. It scrambles your message into secret code, like turning your letter into a jumble of symbols only your friend can unlock. This scrambling is called encryption, and it happens the instant you press send. Now that the message is locked, it dives into the tunnel. It zooms past the same open road, but this time it is hidden inside the protected passage. The nosy eyes are still there, watching the road, yet all they see is the tunnel wall, not what is inside. So where does the tunnel lead? To a trusted helper called a VPN server. Think of it as a friendly post office in another part of the world. Your locked letter arrives here first, before it goes anywhere else on the internet. This helper is the heart of the whole trick. Once your letter reaches the helper, it gets unlocked with the matching secret key. The jumble of symbols turns back into your real message. Only the VPN server holds this key, so nobody along the road could have read it. Now your message is ready to continue its journey. Here is a bonus. When the helper sends your request onward, websites see the helper's address, not yours. It is like wearing a costume to a party. Your real home address stays hidden, and you appear to be visiting from wherever the VPN server lives. Now think about the coffee shop Wi-Fi everyone shares. Normally, a sneaky person nearby could grab your data from the air, but with the tunnel, your data is locked tight. Even sitting right next to you, they catch only scrambled nonsense. Your secrets stay yours. Because you can pick where your helper lives, a VPN lets your data pop out in faraway places. Choose a server in another country, and websites greet you as a local visitor there. It is like having doorways all over the globe that you can step through anytime. But the tunnel is not really magic. It is built from clever math that locks and unlocks your message in less than a blink. Computers solve these puzzles billions of times a second. That is why everything feels instant, even with all this secret protection happening behind the scenes. Still, a VPN is not a superhero cape. It hides and protects your data on the road, but it cannot stop you from sharing secrets yourself or clicking a tricky link. It guards the journey, not your choices. Smart habits and a VPN work best as a team. So who reaches for this tunnel? Travelers protecting their logins, families keeping kids safe, workers connecting to the office from home, and curious explorers who value their privacy. It almost feels like the whole story is complete, but let us gather everything we learned into one picture. Let us recap. A VPN is a secret tunnel through the open internet. It locks your message with encryption, sends it through to a trusted helper, unlocks it safely, and even gives you a disguise. Locked, hidden, and private, that is the magic of a VPN.